Hello everybody, today's weekly test and fire alarm system. So I'm testing the 34800 call point. So got a key for it finally, so I'm gonna put the key in. There we go. And the master alarms are disabled for this video, but that's why the phone's beeping. So 3, 2, 1. So now what we'll do is go in and put the sounders onto alert to announce the system the test is complete. On action. I'll just clear the display, and it's just the storm just came in. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it.